Here in front of us?
Oi, Peko-chan! Usagi-san! Pekora-senpai! Pekora... Oi! Pekora-senpai! Pekora-senpai! Guilty! Guilty this? Is that your base? Oh. Ooh! A distraction. Yuppie! Is that a warning? Again! Is that your base? Or is that Matsuri base? Yuppie! Is this your horse, Peko? Yuppie! Oh, I don't have enough. Howdy.
That's fine.
Is this actually Peko? How do we know this is actually Peko? She does? Oh, I've come to fill the Laplace space with materials. Do we believe her? What are you gonna do? Stab me? Wait, please don't. Please don't, Mate. Wait, you can catch me. Wait. Da 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 da. Go back.
Are you sure that you are a match for this?
Are you going to TNT me, please? No, Yuppie. She's still chasing me? Nani, pursue why this? It's just joke. I have nothing. I'm baby. Where did she go? Yuppie. Oh, very bald. Very bald pickle. Yuppie. Poor visibility. But super cool. And a flashlight. Oh, flashlight. Ow. Ah! I'm bleeding, pickle. Ah! What? Is this a perfect? Pekko is dead. What do we do, Mumei? Oh god. It's okay. They can't turn. They don't have a tight turn radius like we do. We're fine. We're fine.
No.
Can they see you if you're in the bushes?
Yuppie.
The bushes?
I don't know. I need a pickup. I don't know. I would like to go back home. You guys are my home. Where are you? I want to go home. I have to run.